Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt's app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Wolt and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. As you see in this page, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem, so please don't forget.